Meanwhile, let's turn our attention to battleground Bihar, where the political symbolism is intensifying yet again. This time it's over a title. The Congress party has stirred the pot by posting a picture of Rahul Gandhi with the caption Jan Nayak. That's a title historically associated with the socialist icon and former Bihar Chief Minister Karpuri Thakur. So is this a calculated move by the Congress to claim legacy space as far as battleground Bihar is concerned? Or is it a case of political overreach that risks backlash from regional players who revere Karpuri Thakur as a true Jan Nayak? Well, listen in to how the BJP and RJD are reacting.
Well, this is another insult by the Congress party of late Karpuri Thakurji, who is the son of Bihar. This tells you that the Congress party has no respect and feelings for the people of Bihar, who consider late Karpuri Thakurji as the only Jan Nayak of Bihar. This also tells you that the Congress party openly and without any amount of apprehension is insulting the EBC, OBC, because it was the late Karpuri Thakurji who had provided and fought for the rights of the OBC and the EBC in the state. This also explains that the Gandhi Vadra family consciously hates Karpuri Thakurji and the people of Bihar, and this is why consciously for the last 70 years they did not even give late Karpuri Thakurji Bharat Ratna. I believe that it's out in the front of the people of voters of Bihar, where they have to choose between those who respect Karpuri Thakurji and those who insult Karpuri Thakurji. The people of Bihar are smart enough, and they will give a befitting reply to Congress party's conscious repeated insult of son of Bihar.
कांग्रेस पार्टी इस पूरे मामले पर अपनी ओर से बात कहेगी, पार्टी की ओर से। हम जानते हैं कि जनता के बीच जो लोकप्रियता श्री राहुल गांधी जी, श्री तेजस्वी यादव जी की है, अभी आज की स्थिति में, आज के समय में हमारे विरोधी आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के खिलाफ जनता है। और जनता जो है जुमलेबाजी से, झूठ से परेशान है। जनता ठगा हुआ महसूस कर रही है, तो उसी पर कांग्रेस पार्टी जो जनता के प्रिय हो, जिसको जनता चाहती है, तो उसे कहा ही जाता है। जनता के बीच उनकी लोकप्रियता बड़ी है राहुल गांधी जी की।
So while Congress has positioned Rahul Gandhi as the Jan Nayak, it's also crucial to note that the BJP too has in the past invoked the legacy of Karpuri Thakur to connect with Bihar's electorate. Both parties seem to be drawing on the region's rich political history as they gear up for these upcoming polls, highlighting just how influential leaders like Karpuri Thakur continue to shape the state's political narrative. Earlier, Mr. Modi had slammed the Congress for the use of the title Jan Nayak. Listen in to his earlier remarks.
और जो जमानत पे है वो चोरी के मामले में जमानत पे है। अब ये चोरी की इनकी आदत ऐसी है कि अब जननायक की उपाधि की चोरी में जुटे हैं। बिहार के लोग जननायक कर्पूरी बाबू का ये अपमान कभी नहीं सहेंगे, कभी नहीं सहेंगे।